Hello students, this is your ma'am Mariani again. I hope you all are doing fine. Yeah, so today also we will be learning about general knowledge, and today we will be learning two chapters. All right, so chapter number 5 and 8. The reason why I have clubbed this chapter together is because the chapters are very small, are very tiny. That's the reason why I have clubbed the chapters together. All right, so chapter 5, the topic is about animal sounds, and chapter 8, the topic is about our national flag. All right, so I'm sure you all are excited to, learn the topics, right? So let's get started. Okay, now before starting with the animal sounds, let me just remind you all that there are different types of animals that we see around us, right? So today we will be learning some of the animal sounds. And I'm sure by now you all know some of the names of the animal sounds very thoroughly, right? Okay, so today we will be learning about animal sounds, and I will be showing you the picture, and I will be saying it out only once along with the spelling. All right? Okay, so the first up is a cat. C-A-T. Cat. All of you know this animal, right? We also have this animal at home. We keep this animal at home, right? Okay, so now let us find out the sound of a cat. Okay, the sound of a cat. Okay, so let me, listen to it one more time. Okay. All right, so when you were listening to the audio, the sound was meow, right? So the sound of a cat is meow. The sound of a cat is meow, spelling M-E-O-W, meow. All right? Okay, so now this is a question for you all. Today, these things are going to be a little different. Right after explanation, there is going to be a question. So you should stay alert and answer my questions. All right? So the question is, a cat will mew or bark? A cat will mew or bark? So the answer is mew, right? M-E-O-W, mew. Very good. Let's get going. Now this is a dog. D-O-G, dog. Again, we have a dog, and dogs are very faithful, and we love dog as well, right? So now let us find out the sound of a dog. The sound of a dog. So now listen to the audio. Okay, listen to the audio. Okay, so this is the sound of a dog, and the dog is woofing, which is also called bark. Okay, so the sound of a dog is bark. B-A-R-K, bark. And we can also say woof. Okay, either ways, we can come up with the name, with the sound of a dog. All right. Okay, so now again, the question is, this is a dog. So a dog, sound of a dog will be moo or bark. Of course, the answer is gonna be bark, right? Okay, so the next animal is this animal. I really like this animal. This is my favorite animal, and the name of this animal is lion. L-I-O-N, lion. So now let us listen to the sound of a lion. The sound of a lion is very specific, and it is also very loud. So hear it out by yourself, okay? Okay, so this is the sound of a lion. I would like you all to listen to it again. All right? So this is the sound of a lion. So the lion is roaring, right? So the sound of a lion is roar, okay? R-O-A-R. R, roar. Again, R-O-A-R, roar. All right? Okay. Now this is the next animal, and this animal is called goat. G-O-A-T, goat. All right? So now listen to the sound of a goat. Okay, let you all listen to it one more time. So the sound was more of meh, right? So the sound of a goat is bleat. P-L-E-A-T, bleat. All right? So the sound a goat makes is bleat. All right? Okay. So the answer would be bleat or bark. Of course, it is going to be bleat. B-L-E-A-T, bleat. All right? Okay. Now this is a chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. So let us find out the sound of a chicken. All right? So let us listen to the sound of a chicken. Okay, so this is the sound of a chicken, and this sound is called cluck. The sound is called cluck. C-L-U-C-K, cluck. All right, so a chicken makes a what sound? Cluck sound. All right, okay. Now the next picture is horse. This is a horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. You know, I know that horse runs very fast, right? So now let us listen to the sound of a horse. Let us listen to the sound of a horse. Okay, okay, this is how a horse sounds. So the sound of a horse is called neigh. The sound of a horse is called neigh, spelling N-E-I-G-H, neigh. Clear, everyone? All right? Now, the next picture, let me spell it again. N-E-I-G-H, neigh. This is the sound a horse makes. Okay? Now look at this picture. Such a big animal. Everyone knows that this is the biggest land animal, and the name is elephant, and the spelling is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. All right. So now let us find out the sound that this big animal makes. All right. So what is the sound? Let us find it out. Okay, so this is the sound of an elephant. I want all of you to listen to it again. Okay, I want all of you to listen to it again. So this is the sound of an elephant, and the sound of an elephant is termed as trumpet. Trumpet. So an elephant makes a sound, and the sound is known as trumpet. Spelling is T-R-U-M-P-E-T, trumpet. All right? Very good. Now, let us try to find out the next animal. This is a cow. And we have already learned in a previous class that a cow gives us milk, right? So the spelling of a cow is C-O-W, cow. So now let us find out the sound of a cow. What sound does a cow make? Let us find it out. Listen to the sound. Okay, listen to it again. Moo, right? So the sound of a cow is moo. The sound of a cow is moo. Spelling is M-O-O, moo. All right? So now quickly, a cow makes the sound of a chirp, chirp, chirp or moo. Of course, it is going to be moo, M-O-O, moo. All right? Okay, so that was all about animal sounds. That was all about animal sounds. So can we quickly revise and try to recall the animal sounds that we have learned just few minutes back? Can we do that? All right, let's get started. First was cat. So the sound of a cat is mew. The sound of a dog is bark. The sound of an elephant is trumpet, right? The sound of a chicken is cluck, right? The sound of a horse is neigh. The sound of a cow is moo, right? So there is 2 more animal sounds which you have to recall it on your own. All right? So try to recall it on your own. You can pause the video, go back, revise it again, and you can try to remember it without looking at the video. Clear? All right, so this is all about animal sounds. Okay, so now the next topic is about our national flag. Now we are going to learn about our national flag. All right, so can we spell national flag together? N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L-F-L-A-G, national flag. All right, so this is how our national flag looks like. All right, so my dear students, we should always give respect to our national flag, okay, because this is our pride and our honor. So we should always give respect to our national flag. All right, so let me tell you more about national flag, its color, and then the name of this wheel that you see in the picture, one by one. Okay, all right. So as you can see from the picture, how many colors do you see? But before that, let me tell you the name of the national flag. So our national flag has a name. For example, myself, I have a name, and my name is Mariani. You will have a name, right? Likewise, this national flag of ours also has a name. So the name of our national flag is Diranga. The name of our national flag is Diranga. Sometimes it is also known as tricolor. Okay, it is also known as tricolor. So can we spell it together? T-I-R-A-N-G-A, Diranga. T-R-I-C-O-L-O-R, tricolor. All right. So now look at the picture. You all are very smart in observing, right? So how many colors do you see in the picture? How many colors do you see in the picture? 3 colors, right? I think I think I am able to see 5, but that is absolutely wrong. So there is 3 colors in the national flag, right? So our national flag has 3 colors. All right, our national flag has 3 colors. Okay, so now let us find out the name of the colors. So the top, which is the upper portion of our national flag. So the color of the upper portion of our national flag is called saffron. It is saffron. Spelling is S-A-F-F-R-O-N, saffron. All right. Then we have the middle. So the color of the middle portion is white. W-H-I-T-E, white. All right, and then the lower portion of the national flag is green, G-R-E-E-N, green. All right, so let us repeat it again. The top of our national flag is saffron color, the middle is white, and the bottom is green. Please do not forget saffron, white, and green. All right, okay, now here. Can you see this? The circle, which looks like a wheel, okay? But this also has a name, and the name of this wheel is called Ashoka Chakra. The name of this wheel is called Ashoka Chakra. So the spelling is A-S-H-O-K-A-C-H-A-K-R-A, Ashoka Chakra. So this Ashoka Chakra also has a color, right? Ashoka Chakra also has a color. So now can you tell me the name of this color? I'm sure you all are very smart, right? So the color is blue. The color is blue. P-L-U-E. Blue. Okay? All right. So that was all about our national flag. Now I have a small classwork which we will be doing it together. So are you all excited for the classwork? Okay, let's get started. So the classwork is about you telling me the name of our national flag. So what is the name of our national flag? I am sure you all are saying it out loudly that it is called Diranga. And that is absolutely correct. And if you're telling me that it is tricolored, then that is also correct. Okay, so spelling of Diranga, have a look by yourself. Okay, all right. Now, the next classwork is about filling up the blanks. So you have to fill up the blanks. I will give you 3 options and you have to fill up the blank. All right, so the question is, our national flag has dash colors. So is it 3, is it 4, or is it 2? Right? So the correct answer is 3, right? So our national flag has 3 colors. Okay, all right. Now the next classwork is about finding out the sound of a cow. This is also fill up the blank. So the sound a cow makes is dash. The sound a cow makes is dash. Moo. Okay, so what is that sound? That sound is called moo. M-O-O. Moo. All right, very good. Now this is another classwork, last classwork for the day. And the classwork is about you telling me the sound a goat make. Okay, so what sound does a goat make? What sound does a goat make? So it is plate. P-L-E-A-T. Plate. All right? Okay. Now this is a homework for you all, which you have to write it down in your general knowledge notebook along with the spelling. All right? So the homework is, what sound does a gorilla make? What sound does a gorilla make? That is your homework. Another homework is, what sound, oh, this is a tiger, right? This is also the national animal of India. Remember? Okay. So what sound does a tiger make? This is your homework. So how many homework for the day? You have 2 homework for which you have to write down the spelling, okay, in your general knowledge notebook. All right. So this is it for today. Thank you to all of you. Okay, I will see you all again in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.